check out this 2008 Holden Commodore. If you're looking for a vehicle with great attributes, look no further.
With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, stability control, power mirrors.
Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride.
If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.